Hey folks, this lesson is reviewing for our geometry final, second semester. This is on surface area of pyramids and cones. So in the last lesson we did prisms and cylinders, surface area, along with area of regular polygons. So this one's pyramids and cones. This one's a little bit faster, I think, than the last one here, you guys. So and then don't forget, if you guys are taking Algebra 2 next year, I have all of those lessons online. Pre-calculus, calculus is up there, your statistics is up there also. So anyway, so find the area of this prism right here. This is a prism because these front and back bases are congruent triangles. Okay, so prisms is in the last lesson. So the area of a prism, the surface area, is 2b for the front base and the back base, plus the perimeter times this height right here. This is the height right there. Okay, so the base is this triangle. Let's stand that triangle up, and we're going to draw this guy down right here because I need to find the area. So I need this height right there. So when I draw this down, when it does this on an isosceles triangle, it's isosceles because of these red tick marks right there. It cuts that 3 in half to 1.5 and 1.5. And then using the Pythagorean theorem, we get x to be about 7.858. So that's our height of this triangle. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base, which is still 3, times this height right here. So I get about 11.787. 1/2 3 times the height. Okay, and then two of them, I multiply it by 2, and we get, so we have this part here, 2b equals 23.574. Okay, all right, so let's get the perimeter. The perimeter is going to be 3 plus 8 plus 8, so that's going to be 19. Okay, so pH, 19 times 9.1 is the 172.9. Okay, so 2b plus pH is going to be this number plus this number, and don't forget it's in meters squared. Okay, so there's our answer in meters squared. Okay, so surface area of a regular pyramid is the area of the base, that's what this is, plus 1/2 PL. The P is the perimeter of the base, and the L is that slant height right there. This is L right there. Okay, and then the lateral area, don't worry, the lateral area is not on the final. It'll ask you for the total area, but the lateral area is everything except the B. Okay, anyway, so let's go ahead and oh yeah, surface area of a right cone is the area of the base. The base is a circle, pi r squared, and then the perimeter is circumference, which is 2 pi r. So half of that is just pi r. So this is still base plus 1/2 PL, but the base is pi r squared, and so 1/2 of the circumference is just pi r, and then there's L. So there's our formula for the surface area of a cone. Okay, so let's find the surface area of this guy. Let's find the area of the base. Okay, there's the base right there. Okay, now since they give me the altitude right here, then the altitude of this one triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so let's do that. 1/2 base times height, and I get 25 root 3. Now that's this guy right here. Now since it's a hexagon, and only on hexagons it does, well, I'll take that back. Since it's a hexagon, there's 6 of these triangles. So I'm going to multiply that by 6, and that tells me that the whole base is 150 root 3. Okay, so that's this part right here. All right, so let's get the perimeter. So the perimeter is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. There's 6 of them. 10 times 6 is 60. And then the slant height, there's L right there, is 14. So 1/2 60 times 14 is going to get us 420. Okay, so base plus 1/2 PL. So here's the base, here's the 1/2 PL. So when we add those together, we get that as our answer right there. I don't know if I'm giving it in this form or this form, so either way, okay? All right, let's do this guy right here. Okay, I'm going to show you a different method of that base right there. Okay, the base is a triangle, and look, it's 14, 14, 14. Okay, so there is a different way to find the area. I think it's easier to find the area of an equilateral triangle. If it's equilateral, like this one is, 14, 14, 14, you just do the side squared root 3 over 4. So this one's going to be 14 squared root 3 over 4. 196 root 3 over 4. 4 goes into 196 49 times. So there's the base right there. Okay, so the perimeter, you guys, the perimeter is 14 times 3, So 42 inches. So 1/2. Remember, the formula is base. There's the base, 49 root 3, plus 1/2 PL. Well, there's P. There's L. The slant height is that 9 right there. So 1/2 PL gets us 189. So we add those together, and then there's our answer right there. Okay, let's do a quick cone. Okay, so pi r squared plus pi rl. We need to get this slant height right there. You can use the Pythagorean theorem if you want. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared, or recognize it's a 6, 8, 10 p triple right there. It's a 3, 4, 5 multiple. This is 3 times 2. This is 4 times 2. So this would be 5 times 2. Okay. All right. So pi r squared plus pi rl. L is being 10. So this one's easy. Just plug them in and then crank it out. We get 96 pi, or about 301.59. Okay. Now I'm out in my truck, in case you can't tell I'm in a box, because someone's teaching on my prep period and I don't have my textbook in front of me. So you'll get a take-home quiz, but it's going to be posted on the video below when I get back in my classroom. All right, you guys, take care.